different materials out here as platforms, and I'm slipping off of it like crazy. So it looks like the closer we get to stage 60, which is supposed to be like the hardest point of the map. Look, this person's still on baby blue. They've been on baby blue since we started. Well, I'm gonna be stuck on this color if I don't get across this quick enough. Go! They're putting like all the different platforms out at once. They got lasers, falling platforms, ice platforms, all in the same one. Oh, we can't stop. That is the goal. If you stop, you die. Yes, we made it to zone 3! We made it to the edge now! Oh, the jump pads! Cool, dude! Oh, now we're stepping it up a notch. Oh, look at this. They want us to jump as the conveyor is going backwards. You think you control the parkour pro? Not a chance. Easy mode. Oh! I really am a pro! Now it's getting... Oh, dude, now it's getting super crazy. Guys, we're almost on stage 60. That'd be insane if we could. I mean, of course we can. We can do anything we want. How did I just move? Oh, because I stopped. There was no stopping at me. Damn. Alright, brother, let's do this. Yes. Yes, let's go. Stage 58. We're almost there. Don't hit the lasers. Come on. Come on. I love the jump pads. It's probably the best part. Ice. But I stopped. I forgot I'm not allowed to stop. Yo, this just got so hard. Oh. Oh. I put my face right into that laser. So you just have to like spam jump and you don't want to touch the lasers. Oh! Ah! Oh, I feel like I'm playing Fall Guys right now. Whoa! Yes! Okay, guys, stage 60, we made it. I feel really accomplished just making it to stage 60. Oh, maybe I can just do this. Just ride the conveyor? Can I go for... I can't. I have to jump. No, but I can't stay still. No! Yes, we did it. Let's go. That was probably the hardest part yet. Oh my gosh. What the heck? They put like a window there. Like a door. Oh, because you gotta go on the other side. You just gotta keep jumping. You gotta keep jumping. That platform's gonna fall. Oh my gosh, this is crazy! No! Yo, how did I get so close? Oh, that dude's lagging so bad. What is going on? Everyone's lagging. They just dropped the whole platform out from under my feet. Guys, I think Roblox has shut down for maintenance. We are back in here. They saved our progress. My feet, everyone's lagging. They just dropped the whole platform out from under my feet. Guys, I think Roblox has shut down for maintenance. We are back in here. They saved our progress. Look at my feet. Oh, that dude's lagging so bad. What is going on? Everyone's lagging. They just dropped the whole platform out from under my feet. Guys, I think Roblox has shut down for maintenance. We are back in here. They saved our progress. I was going to say, if I had to start this all over again, I probably just wouldn't have continued to play it. But we're trying to beat the game, dude. Oh, man, I feel like, yes! My juking skills are being helpful. No! I hit the laser, bro. At like the worst time. Oh, everything is so slippery. This is getting so intense. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, what is this, dude? It's like... Wait, what am I jumping on? That was so weird. We gotta do this. The platform is gonna fall. But we can't stop. Always remember, if you stop, you will... Oh, wait, I was supposed to go up that like, platform, right? Wait, how do I go up? Oh, there's a bounce pad. I think I know what to do. Yo, this is getting so hard already. So you gotta go like this. And then hit the bounce pad, and then go up, and now we are safe. Oh, dude! Yes! Yes! We made it to zone 4! No stopping. Okay, I don't think that's ever gonna change. And now our walk speed increased by 30. And we're on ice. And there's lasers that I have to run away from. Okay, I think that this might be really, really hard. I'm like, damn. dancing on these conveyors right now. Dude! So you gotta jump and then, like, jump twice, maybe? There we go. What's up, dude? Me and you are killing it out here. In this... No jump, Abby. I mean, no stop, Abby. I'm, like, not even paying attention to what I'm supposed to do. All you gotta do is go straight. I was getting a little crazy on that one. Wait, now what do we have to do? I didn't even get a checkpoint. I gotta redo this one again. Well, it's actually not that hard. Wait. Oh, we're allowed to stop right here. That's right. Wait. Okay, we gotta jump up. And then we gotta do it. Oh, there's lasers. Oh, no. And now I have to do this thing again. So they're not even putting, like, single stages in the game anymore. Now you have to go through, like, multiple stages. I don't like that. Because now it's going to take twice as long to get to stage 100. Let's go, dude. Very nice. Stage 75. Oh, this just happened. We just got launched. Dude, this is going way too fast. I don't like it. No! Oh my gosh, I'm like so exhausted from playing this. It was so chill up until like stage 70. And now it's just, it's really hard. I feel like I lost my groove when Roblox server shut down or whatever that message was. That's my excuse. Okay, that is what I'm blaming it on. And a jump. And a jumpity jump. And, I did it. Okay, now we're just gonna ride the carousel over to the checkpoint. Stage 76. Come on, guys, we could do it. Wait, can I beat it? Oh man, look at this. This is actually really cool. This guy's saying we shift lock. I don't need a shift lock, bro. I'm the parkour champ. Oh wait, but I can't stop. Maybe I should use shift lock. Guys, I don't know how to do this. I'm so tired. I'm making excuses. I know. I'm just bad. I can't stop though. Now it's really, the no stopping is really starting to get to me. Oh, I'm doing it though.
Yes!
I'm actually doing it. Oh, I don't need shift lock, bro. Come on. Get out of here. It's very satisfying when you actually get through stages though.